So, my motorbike. So, para alam ng wifey ko. 44 followings sa IG. Para hindi ko na i-mention. Para hindi ko na i-mention. Tapos ito. And FB ko, Joblin Santos Bagus. Pure start ng big, the rest mo letter siya. Joblin space, Santos space, Bagus. Pure start ng big FB ko. So, my motorbike. So, address ko, Caloocan City. So, yan. Kailangan yun sa video greetings ko, diba? Kapag wifey, I love you, my wifey. Lahat yun, pag binati ko kay Ara, kay Olivia, and Drew Barmore. So, syempre, yung date, hindi pwede sabihin, baka ma-using birthday. So, I always prepare my heart. So, I'm here in my room to love you, my wifey. When I marry you, hindi lang sa papel yan. I marry you because of my heart that tells me it's the right thing to do. Marriage is not just a simple contract. Marriage is a life. Life that could never be seen by anybody. Your heart functions with your wife, with the one you love. And dito na magbe-birthday na si Olivia, Rodrigo, si Ara, yung wifey ko. Magbe-birthday na si Sarah, tapos si Drew, then si Olivia. Asan na ba yung dito sa screenshot ko? Nawala yung si Olivia Rodrigo, the singer. Pero nandiyan naman yung photos sa yung photos yun dito. So, yung si screenshot ko nawala eh. So, the thing is, when I said, or marriage not just a contract that you would be able to sign and then forget it. No. The thing is, when you found love exists with the marriage self. You never tie with the marriage self when you don't know how to love. A love that is truly bound by love is the true existence of love. I have a curving curving ko to, curving my right hand. So, definitely. So, gagawa pa akong message siya, hindi pa to, sa wifey ko. And every birthday, gusto kong sabihin, kahit sa personal pag dumating sa dito personal ko talaga sasabihin. You love a certain person not because she's beautiful, not because of her character, because you bound to love her for the rest of your life. Marriage is not a playing ground to emphasize things. Marriage is not just a contract that has been written, but marriage is a surprise gift from God that enables us to see how beautiful it is when your heart is bound not just by the contract, but the true hearts that flows within you. Life existed because you love the person that you give your heart and embrace whatever the things happen. Kahit bumagyo or there's a lot of troubles in your way, you always find ways to make your wifey happy. So I love you, wifey. Colgate Day to my wife, Ara, Olivia Rodrigo, the singer, and then Drew Barmore. So, Hinanap ko pa yung screenshot. So, pero gagawa pa uli ako ng video ko. So, I'm not done yet.